everybody, today I'm checking out this pendant light that I received for reading purposes. You can see it comes really well protected with foam, and it's a glass pendant light that can be adjusted the height of it, which I think that it's perfect. It has a really beautiful design. Let me show you in a second. As you can see, this is a proper pendant. It's a clear clear pendant with a really interesting design that can be perfect to install it wherever you need it. Okay, see, everything comes really well protected. You get the proper main unit, okay, with the base that goes upon the ceiling, this pad, okay. And something that I think that it's great is that everything builds up an amazing quality, and the height of it can be adjusted, okay. It seems like a simple installation. In this case, I'll be installing it right here. But let me show you how it's installed, and let me show you how it looks when it's already set up, okay. Come on. It's designed for a quick and hassle-free installation, and it comes with all the necessary mounting hardware. It works seamlessly with both flat and sloped ceilings, adapting effortlessly to your room's layout. I think that it's a nice lamp because it can bring a touch of artisan craftsmanship and a modern style into your home, with a beautiful water ripple texture that softly diffuses the light. That way it can create a warm and inviting glow that it's perfect for any kind of kitchen, dining room, bedroom, or any kind of space that needs a sophisticated touch. The shade is made for a thickened hammered glass that ensures both durability and timeless beauty. Paired with the robust wiring and sturdy lamp base, this light is built for long-lasting performance. With a fully adjustable suspension ranging from 10 inches to 68 inches, you can set the perfect height, and it uses a standard E26 socket, making it compatible with a variety of bulbs. For complete control over your ambience, paired with a dimmable bulbs and a compatible dimmer switch. You can choose warm white for cozy evenings, neutral for daily tasks, or a cooled wet for a bright modern feel. Okay guys, now as you can see, it's already installed, and I think that it's really, really nice. I just have to place this really warm white light bulb that I think that it looks amazing. It can be perfect if you place 2 or 3 in line, and I think that they will look beautiful wherever you want to place. Which I think that it's really, really nice because they are really versatile. They can be placed wherever you need, and they can be adjusted the length, the angle, and anything. Overall, I think that they look beautiful. All the materials feel some great quality, and it looks amazing with this nice contrast. I love this sort of clear glass fixture, and well, I like it a lot, and I will really, really recommend it. See you guys.